Alright. There is an incredible amount of variety built into our DNA. Now, why does that matter? One reason is because there's something else to film while I'm talking. There we go. Cute girl. One reason is it's important is because skeptics of the Bible, some of them, especially the atheist skeptics, will say that the story of the Noah's flood could not be true because there's not enough room for all those animals on the ark. Some of those people are misunderstanding how big the ark was, but one reason those people are wrong is they might be imagining that the Bible's saying there was one of every species, the way we define it now. I mean, now we look at polar bears and grizzly bears as different species, and mule deer and white-tailed deer and black-tailed deer as 3 different species. But the Bible says that Noah... I'm in the backyard, son! The Bible says that Noah took 2 of every kind and 7 of the clean kind. Doesn't say species. We could get the variety of animals, different species and color patterns and fur. I'm in the backyard, I said! I'm making a video. We could get the variety. With an amount of animals that would fit on Noah's very big ark, one fact to consider is Noah probably took baby animals. You know, a young elephant's going to take up a lot less space than a fully grown elephant. A young brontosaurus or allosaur, sauropod. A young sauropod is going to take up a lot less space than the several hundred-year-old sauropod that is, 50 feet long. And the other reason that all those animals could fit on the ark is there's a variety built within species, which is evidenced by the interbreedability of deer. In the wild, naturally, white-tailed deer and mule deer reproduce together. And in the wild, polar bears and grizzly bears reproduce together. In my backyard here, my tree is an example of a variety. This is one tree with no grafting that's been done to it. See if I can get a good angle on it. That is the fig leaf. That's what this tree is supposed to be. It used to give me figs. And I wasn't eating enough figs, decided I'd rather not have a fig tree when I wasn't eating the figs, cut it down, and this grew back from the stump. There's the fig leaf. And on the same tree, we have that leaf, which shows a variety in the DNA of this one plant so that we get these different leaves on it. But it's still a plant. So we can't say this variety within the DNA means that this plant's ancestor was the same one-cell amoeba that's everyone else's ancestor. No, it means the creator who wrote the DNA. I use that term, wrote the DNA, because DNA is code. It's language. And, okay, it's language. And, so something had to have put that language into our cells to tell our bodies what to do. Alrighty. Well, I've made my point that I wanted to make with this video. And, that black dog at the start of the video, he had 6 siblings from the same litter. They all had different color patterns, and as the ones we kept a little bit longer, they give really quickly, as they grew older, we could see they had different fur textures also. All from one litter, showing a variety in the DNA of animals. Have a good day.